Yep, so it looks like it's going to be a bit of a cold one tonight while we're out, but we do have some beautiful, beautiful scenery here up in North Wales. Alright guys, going to do a small review on the ghillie kettle. I'm sure you guys have seen this, or some of you may have done, some of you haven't. Supposedly a very efficient way of boiling water. So I'm going to get it all set up and show you what it comes with and how effective it is. So firstly, it comes in a nice little bag which you can carry it around, shoulder strap. You might want to adapt that for your rucksack, whatever. Also comes with a stand for when you're on uneven ground. The kettle itself, pretty solid. You'll see all the way through there. Has the two elements around, slightly fluted. Little whistle for when it's boiling. Pretty good. Chain and handle. And using the chain, you can help to pour it out as well. So that's always handy. And then the base, as you can see, is still a little bit dirty from the last time I tried it. And the feed hole here for, air. Make up a small bundle of fire in there. Get the kettle, place it on like so. If, as I say, you're on uneven ground, you can put that onto the stand so it's a little bit more sturdy. And again, keep placing your wood inside and making sure it's still burning. You can see flames up here, you know it's getting hot. So I'm going to go and collect some more sticks and strike it up and get a brew on the go. Come back to you in a minute, guys. So, okay, yeah, so I've got some stuff in there, a bit of jute, bit of fat wood on a couple of leaves, and I've got a few bits here, a few more leaves and some sticks. Just going to try it at that, and then I'll add some more stuff as we go along. Okay guys, so we've ignited that now. You can see burning there. We just gotta keep it stoked up, placing bits in. Belling with a good bit of smoke. It's going to ignite quite soon. Once you get them going, they're alright. Yeah. Like everything, do a bit of prepping beforehand. And it shouldn't be too long to get it boiling. We'll come back when it has boiled, have a nice brew. There goes. Let's get the brew on. So one thing to be sure of, not to overfill it. As you can see, it's popped me whistle off. Never blow your whistle. So that's going to be a nice brew coming on its way. Get that lid off. Happy days, works a treat. Ghillie kettle, right up the street.
Thanks for joining us, guys. Just a quick review on the ghillie kettle, and hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.
Rest in peace, old Grizzly Adams, one of our forefathers in the wilderness and woodsman's. And thank you to all the YouTubers for subscribing to our channel and the Facebook, North Wales Bushcrafters Facebook page. Thank you for that again. And hope to see you all out there, guys. Post some pictures on the Facebook if you've got some. It'd be great to look at those photos and see what you guys are getting up to as well. Bye for now.
See you guys.
See ya.